everybody, welcome back to my channel. And if you are seeing this face for the very first time, then hello, I am Sonakshi and I post makeup related videos frequently. So if you like what you see on my face, consider subscribing to this channel. And yeah, that's about it. Now I have curated this look which is very appropriate for all the coming festivals. So if you like what you see, let's just start with the video and see how I have created this look. And if you like it, please give it a big thumbs up. And that's it. Now let's just start with the work. Okay, to start off, I am using a toner on my face, and this toner is from Good Vibes in the variant Honey, and I've already washed my face, and this is a very nice toner. I will recommend it to everybody. It's very cheap and very nice. Secondly, I will use my rose gold facial oil, which is from Indulge You Essentials, and this again is my absolute favorite. Because I am a very dry skin type person, I use facial oil even in the summer months. If you are somebody who is from a combination skin type family, or you are somebody who belongs to oily skin type family, I will never recommend you to use facial oils in hot summer days. Now moving on to my strobe cream, which is from MAC, and this is my absolute favorite. Now moving on to the foundation, I thought that using Kryolan foundation in each and every video was being a little bit monotonous, so I thought I will change my foundation routine. This time I'm using my Estee Lauder foundation, and for those of you who are curious to know, my shade is Ratan, and this is a full coverage foundation, so this will set on your face quickly, so you will have to be quick with your blending there. And I always recommend you to use some kind of Duraline or facial oil with your heavy coverage foundations, because then it just gets easy to blend these full coverage foundations. And once I have applied the foundation with my wet Puna Beauty Store sponge, I will apply my concealer. And for my concealer today, I will be using a TV paint stick from Kryolan. Now that is another gem from the Kryolan family, and seriously guys, if you haven't tried it yet, you all should, if you are somebody who loves full coverage foundations. This is a very nice foundation, and I'm using it here as my concealer because this is full coverage, so you can use full coverage things as your foundation or as your concealer. So yeah, and everything that I use in this video will be mentioned in the description box with their purchase links, so you better check the description box out. After blending the concealer with the same wet sponge, I will be moving on to my eyes, or I'll apply my blush, I don't know. अच्छा, मेरे पास बहुत सारे DMs आ रहे थे कि मेरे कमेंट्स ऑफ क्यों हैं. सो मैंने गूगल करा कि मेरे को पता ही नहीं था कि मेरे कमेंट्स ऑफ हुए हुए हैं. मैंने गूगल करा तो उस पर मेरे को पता चला कि अब यूट्यूब की कोई पॉलिसी चेंजेस हैं, और उसमें अब जब मैं अपलोड करती हूँ मेरे पास ऑप्शन आता है कि इज़ दिस कंटेंट मेड फॉर किड्स. सो मैं उस पर क्लिक कर रही थी कि वाई टू रिस्ट्रिक्ट माई व्यूज़, तो इसलिए जो भी कंटेंट इज़ मेंट फॉर किड्स उसके कमेंट्स ऑटोमेटिकली ऑफ हो जाते हैं ऑटोमेटिकली, तो इसलिए मेरे कमेंट्स ऑफ थे. देयर इज़ नथिंग लाइक मैंने उन्हें ऑन पर्पस ऑफ करके रखा है. इस वाली वीडियो में नहीं होंगे क्योंकि नाउ आई नो व्हाई द कमेंट्स वर ऑफ इन माय प्रीवियस सेक्शन. Now what you see me doing here is I am making my brows. I have made a specific video on how to do my brows previously, so you can check that out. And yeah, I don't do much experiment with my brow products, so Some people may find it monotonous, but that is the drill. Anyways, moving on to my eyeshadow, I am applying a very cool tone brown shade to build my crease up. Then taking a small blending brush, I am applying a very corally shade to the outer V of my eye, and then whatever is left on my brush, I am blending it inwards. आप देख सकते हैं मैंने छोटे ब्रश पे लिया है अपना आउटर वी का जो मैं कोरल शेड ऐड कर रही हूँ. इस पे मुझे पता नहीं क्यों ऑरेंज दिख रहा है, बट दैट शेड वाज कोरल, बट यू कैन यूज़ ऑरेंज टू. और उसके बीच में और जो हमारी क्रीज थी, दे वर नॉट ब्लेंडिंग टुगेदर, तो उसके बीच में मुझे और हल्का शेड ब्राउन का ऐड करना पड़ा. सेकंड क्रीज उसे हम बोलते हैं, सेकंड क्रीज बिल्ड करनी पड़ी टू जस्ट ब्लेंड दिस कोरल शेड एंड द कूल टोन ब्राउन शेड. आई मेकअप इज़ ऑल अबाउट दिस ब्लेंडिंग. दो शेड को ब्लेंड करने के लिए आपको तीसरा शेड जो उनके बीच का होता है आपको ऐड करना होता है, so that everything looks seamless. After doing that, I'm just cutting my crease. For that, I'm using a concealer from PAC Cosmetics. And for whenever you cut your crease, always make sure that the concealer or the foundation you use is very heavy. Otherwise, you will not get a sharp cut crease. उसको कट करने के बाद what I'm doing here is I'm just adding a very hot neon pink. And this is a very beautiful shade, and for those of you who are wondering what palette do I use, I mostly use my Lorac Pro Artist palette, and I have purchased that from my Insta store. After blending those two coral and the hot pink shade together, I have applied a diamond dust powder, which is again from PAC Cosmetics. Now I am applying my eyeliner, and this is from Iba Halal. I bought this from Amazon. Everything will be mentioned in the description box. Please check that out. Now बहुत टाइम हो गया था मैंने विंग्स नहीं क्रिएट करे से थे, तो आई थॉट व्हाट बेटर टाइम दैन द फेस्टिव लुक मैं जो क्रिएट कर रही हूँ, उससे बेटर टाइम क्या होगा विंग्स करने के लिए ड्रामेटिक, बिकॉज इंडियन फेस्टिवल्स आर ऑल अबाउट बीइंग ड्रामेटिक. At least for me, they are. Anyways, I have done the other eye off camera just to save my time as well as your time. Now I am applying a mascara. मैंने इस वीडियो में falsies नहीं अप्लाई करे हैं बिकॉज मुझे कहीं जाना होता नहीं है. मैं अपनी बेकार माई लैश पे ग्लू नहीं लगाना चाहती, तो मैंने आपको मस्कारा लगा के दिखा दिया है. After that, I will use the Inglot kajal for my liner. Liner as my kajal to just I'll just run it on my waterline. And this is a very nice liner. This doesn't smudge throughout the day, and yeah, it's great. My eyes are very sensitive. If I use anything else apart from this, my eyes are all watery. So yeah, this works great. If you have sensitive eyes, you can this liner as your kajal. It works both ways. After that, I am taking a very small blending brush, which is from PAC Cosmetics. Every eye brush that I use is from PAC. Some of them are from Shein, and but they're not something that I use to blend my eyeshadows. Now I'm taking a very small blending brush and just running that corally shade below the liner that I have applied. It will give the eye look a very nice and completed look, if that makes sense. After this, I will apply my blush. Now, for those who are wondering why don't I contour my face, I generally don't contour my face because I just don't feel the need of doing it. By God's grace, I seriously don't feel the need to contour my face. I do it sometimes, but it's just for fun. If I am attending a wedding or something, I just do it. Then I don't do contouring on a regular basis. And makeup seriously doesn't have any rules. What suits you. And you don't have to do it just because everybody around you is doing it. Do what you feel right. So after that, I am applying my lipstick, and I always mix 2 or 3 shades. So whenever somebody asks me what lip shade do I wear, I am blank because I don't know what to answer, because मैं मिक्सिंग इतनी कर लेती हूँ कि मुझे खुद को याद नहीं रहता कि कौन से शेड मिक्स करे थे. So even if you are somebody, don't worry, I will be mentioning whatever I'm using here in the description box. But if you're somebody who meets me in person and asks ki what lip shade are you wearing, and if I am blank, don't get offended that I'm somebody who is not willing to share what lip shade do I use. Anyways, that is the completed look, you guys, and I haven't used any highlighter in this video because I forgot. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and we'll meet soon in my next video. Bye bye.